So I'm back with another view of the resorts. So this is the tea garden, which is in the middle of the entire resort. And yes, of course, as I showed you in the last video, we do have the live kitchen. So the organic tea which is being prepared is from this tea garden. Beautiful. So we are going for a breakfast. So this is the another area which has been there, and you do have some maintenance going on with this particular area. You have a swimming pool out here also, but yes, it's under construction. You have even a small slide, you can see it very well. So this is the entire entrance in the resorts area. All right, and beautiful entrance which they have created and crafted.
Keep the surrounding green and pure.
And see this, it's beautiful again in the midst of the nature. So I'll just show you the entrance out here. It's well crafted, I mean to say. So they have built in. So this is the kind of entrance on the village resort. What do you have? If you can see it very well. And they have this tea garden in the middle of the walkthrough. So when you cross the entrance,
A rice plantation also is going to over there.
yes, across the tea garden you see a farming of the rice as well. So of course the villagers are there, so they have their farms. So here you have this coconut tree, coconuts are there. You have here copper fool, which is uh, one of the you can say a national fool for Assam, which has been there. And
State flower.
yeah, it's a state flower, sorry, my bad. So this is the entire view of the tea garden. So the resort is in the mid of this entire tea garden which is there. So that's the beautiful aspect of it. See the dustbins, the way they have crafted and placed in everywhere. So these are the dustbins. So keep it green, keep it clean. So they have even rubber plants as well in the middle of the tea garden. So all the plants, they are collecting the rubber. So it's there. So you can see it very well. It's clear. See the way they have put the
Buckets to collect
the
rubber.
rubber. Yes. So let me take you through the entire aisle. And the pan which we eat, see this, it's been grown in the betel nut, the tree. Actually this is the entire this is the way.
This is the leaf.
This is the tea leaf which have been plucked, and the way it's
And
been processed, and then it moves to in different packets and different names with different brands.
And
They
then it comes to us.
it gets sold out and we bring in and then we enjoy. Like me, I can't start my day until and unless I have a tea. So I'm a big fan of tea. See here. So this is the entire aisle. You have the restaurant and the washroom available. And see, it's been written as please do not pluck flowers, very categorically. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the tea, see, it's here written organic tea plantation. So the entire field, if you can see, this is of the tea garden which is available for the guests to look at it, to enjoy the exotic nature of Assam, right? And again, this is the reception area with which you can just move in. So let's take a walk in the restaurant for the breakfast. So we are going for the breakfast. So let's see what's there today in the breakfast. We'll catch up again.